So guys, we have three kind of user. Uh, can you see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So we have three kind of user registration module. One is login with Facebook, logging with Google, and with the normal email address sign up. Okay.
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 So, okay, when we do the login with the Facebook account,
Okay.
okay, sorry, I will go one by one. So, login with the Google account is not possible as of now because Google needs the domain registration to be done before it allows the user registration to happen. I mean, it will not allow like that. Okay. So, what we can test is only login with the Facebook account and the sign up. So first I will take you with the sign up page. As you can see, first thing is that it is turning this is not our standard gray to hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Mayur, can you see that this is actually once I move my mouse into this gray color box, it is taking a boundary of blue color,
Yes. Right.
right? But our standard behavior is I think different, right? Our standard behavior is black on something, it will turn into black, right?
Yes. Is it issue?
So I want that first thing you check is the consistency. Here I see the consistency issue. He has not done it as per our website, so it should turn into some other, and it should not be blue color of background. So this is an error for us, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so please mention it in the bug that this is what happened. Can you open? I'm not able to open the sign up page. Can anyone check whether we can open the sign up?
Yeah,
Is it working for you?
No.
not working, uncle.
I don't know what's wrong then, man.
It's not working.
Either someone is working. Maxon, what I
Maybe
suggested then we should ask them to upload on the demo server, and whenever they make a release, they upload in our demo server.
correct.
So let's purchase the demo and give them the demo server. Otherwise, when they are making any changes, so we cannot test now.
Correct, correct, correct.
What should we do?
We can check other modules.
This is the next module. Okay, anyhow, what we will do now is that
So basically, sign
nothing major.
up module. You don't have to, we don't have to explain much because these are all, standard procedures which I think
Yes.
the testers will be aware of. So basically, we have two options like login with Facebook. Google will not work as of now, and a normal sign up. So they continue testing on the user module.
So what I will show is that what we have copied from, we have copied it like Zomato only, yeah. So I will just create a same similar to this one sign up. It will ask your full name, then it will ask your email address, password, and then it will create it. Hello.
Okay.
Okay. So you assume that this will be the form will be something like this. The moment you will click register, it will get registered.
Okay.
Okay, and then it will ask you, it will send an email to your email address for the you must receive an email to verify your email address.
Okay.
Okay, now you need to test that a user when let's say what is the functional case here that you need to test first, that let's say you send an email address, what is the error code that it will tell you? What error code will it tell if your email address is not verified? Just try to log in without verifying the email address.
Okay.
Fine, Mayur. If you will try to log in without verifying the email address, then it should give you a right appropriate error that your email address is not verified. Would you like us to resend you the email address, the verification? So first is this thing that it should change. It should not allow you to log in until you verify your email address. Second thing is that it the moment you it should have an option to resend the verification code.
Okay.
Okay, Mayur. These two things you
Yes.
need to make sure that once someone register with the sign up page, these two things are done.
Okay.
Okay, now with the Facebook account, actually your email address is automatically considered as verified. So with the Facebook account, you don't need to verify your email address,
Okay.
as normal happens in any scenario. So now there is another third functionality which becomes us important for us to test is you have an email address which is in the Facebook account. Let's say I use mayur@gmail.com in my Facebook account, and when I sign up, I also used in the sign up registration, and when I did a sign up, I also used the same email account, mayur@gmail.com. And now you try to log in with both the accounts, sign up account and the Facebook account. Mayur, is the case clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Can you explain what did you get? I mean,
It should not accept two email IDs. Means when I will log in uh, as a mayur@gmail.com through sign up process, and when I will log in through Facebook, then it should not accept same email ID.
yes, it should give you an error that this email address is already logged in via the Facebook. If you logged in first time with the Facebook account, then it should not allow you to sign up with the same email address. If you have already signed up with an email address and your Facebook account is also using the same email address, then it should not allow you to do that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is very important because we saw a bug in this one and then we highlighted to them that either you need to bind that. If you cannot bind the two addresses with the same person, Zomato does a binding. So what it does, it knows, okay, if you have registered with the email address, then it binds your Facebook address to that email also. But in our
Okay.
case, if he has done a sign up with an email address, and if he has done if the same email address is used with Facebook, then he should give you a corresponding error that sorry, this email address is already registered with us. Please log in with your email address.
Okay.
Okay. So now I will try to log in with my Facebook account. So he has taken my name from the Facebook account. Yeah.
Yes.
I will now open the backend module. Is it clear, guys? This section is clear, or do you have any doubts on this section? Because that is the first section that I wanted to explain you. Hello?
Hello. We don't have any doubts.
Okay. Okay.
Raja, is it clear for
Yes,
you?
yeah, okay, yes, yeah, I clear it. Okay.
Okay,
I'm clear
Raja,
about
if
that
you have any,
login.
okay,
Okay,
because
if I have any queries, I will ask that. I'll ask you.
okay, fine, Raja. So now, what I will do is that now he is a vendor. If you will see that he is a vendor. Oh my God, not this. I don't need this.
Hey, this you can log in with super admin actually. This user is
No, no,
created on
there is no. something I want to show them first with the vendor, yeah. What I will do is I will just log out from here because there is nothing. Okay, I will just first show you the Facebook account, what it should get and what it should be. I think they have a bug. Once I log in, then that stops working.
Okay.
Now I'm not able to log in with the Facebook even once I logged out.
Okay.
Okay, let me do Control F5. Yeah, sorry. Okay, their server is slow, looks like. Okay, so here I got the sign up page.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
Okay, so you can see first thing is a black color which I don't want. Now what I will do is Ankur, you have seen that I have created one already an account with a email address. So I will use Ankur Gakhad and then I will use Ankur Gakhad at okay, this is there should not be a checkbox here and it should be of smaller size.
Okay.
Okay, by creating this, please refer it. Okay, I will give you this module. We copied from Zomato actually. We asked them to copy. So I asked them by creating this account, you agree to this condition and there is no need of a checkbox here. By creating this account, you agree to this CSR terms and condition and this should be of small size, than the normal size. So please that mention also reduce the size of this one and remove the checkbox from here.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Now I will click on register and it should give me an error. Email address is already used.
Okay.
Okay, now this email address is we should not receive this error. Yeah, we should receive this email address is already registered within Facebook account.
Okay.
This email address is used with the Facebook account. Kindly log in with the Facebook account. That should be the error. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so please do mention that. I mean, I'm just telling you this module has not been handed over to us, so you are not supposed to start the testing as of now.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear,
Yes.
Mayur? I mean, once it is these bugs has already been reported to them, so I don't want that you report the bugs to them. Just prepare
Okay.
your functional test cases as of now, and
Okay.
if you want do the testing, write down the internal, but don't report it on the tool as of now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, if you want, you can do your testing as well, but don't report on the tool. Report on the tool only after they hand over the module to us.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, so this error should be email addresses binding with the Facebook of the Facebook account.
Okay.
Okay, so now I cannot use this, so I will use now I will use this email address and I will try to register. Now they have sent a verification email to me. I will see whether I have received the verification module and now I will click here. This email address, okay, has already been verified. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, I will tell you what was the issue there. The issue was that I have to click on the sign up in the login. If I click on the login and I click sign up here, it was not working. But if I click directly the sign up page here, it was working.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe probably they didn't link it together as of now, what I can see. Okay, so I'm already logged in with Ankur Gakhar, and you need to now go to my profile.
Okay.
Okay, let's see which account shall I use. I will just uh, okay. Let's log in with this vendor account now.
Okay.
So I log in with the vendor account. Once I log in with the vendor account and I go to customer list. Okay, you have seen that he has added a customer list, but I will add my customer list now, customer management. Hello?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Okay, now I will go and add a new customer.
Okay.
See, the only thing that I need to know to add a customer is his email address. The moment I know the email address, let's say I add ankurgakhad@gmail.com,
Okay.
rest all the details should automatically be filled up.
Okay.
He doesn't need to he doesn't need to specify anything else than his email address. And
Okay.
after that, I should be able to save the data. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So this is called auto filling of the data in the backend module. If the Surjit core, I mean, if the vendor or the service provider knows somebody's email address, he can fill up the data automatically.
Okay.
But one thing for the security reason you need to make sure is that moment it is entered a data, then there should be a message which should go there.
Okay.
Okay. Now, did you get me? The moment a saloon adds some data, then there should be an SMS which should be sent to me, or there should be an email address sent to me that this saloon has added me.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, is it clear, Mayur? Are you getting the concept?
Can you please repeat the last sentence?
Okay. See, I will try to explain you first the workflow that we have. In our case, a user can be registered with a Facebook account, a sign up, or a Google page.
Yes.
The first use case was that it should not be possible for the same email address to be registered via the two accounts, and the error should be displayed correctly. That what is the error? If the error is that he has a Facebook account and that email address is registered with Facebook, then the error should be that the user is registered with the Facebook account. Kindly use the Facebook login.
Okay.
If he
Yes.
is registered with, if the email, if you are signing up and you enter an email address which is used in the Facebook, then the error should be that this email address is used with Facebook. Kindly use it with the Facebook account. Now if you are adding a Facebook account and that account is already registered with an email address, so it should not be possible, and the error should be this email address is already registered. Kindly use your email address to log in.
Okay.
Okay, that is the user registration. After the user registration is done, we need to manage the user, because that user will be used by many, that user will be used by many saloons, right? It is now that user has become Siesta website user, and a Siesta website user can go to any Siesta saloon, and any Siesta saloon will be able to add him.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Yes.
how will he be able to add him is, first thing, he just need to know his email address. He doesn't need to know anything else than his email address. The moment he will enter the email address, rest all things will be automatically populated.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the other things that you need to make sure is that this address, if you will see, it is showing Al Karama United is wrong address.
Yes.
If I add a customer or edit him, yeah, oof, you will see that in the edit it is not showing me the map. Okay, it is showing me a location. This is my location, yeah,
Yes.
but this is not Karama location. So let's add another customer, or actually we do not want his location. Okay. Okay, let's go one by one then. I will come to other points. Now you see that the gender is not mandatory, but in the add button, they have a star sign in front of the gender.
Yes.
It should not be the case. Gender is not mandatory.
Okay.
Okay. Or if they are putting a star, that means they should make it mandatory. Please enter the gender.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
in our case, if the saloon is adding a customer, if customer has not specified the gender, it should be mandatory only.
Okay.
See, we are not asking the customer about his gender, but we are asking him to change the gender here, yeah.
Okay.
Secondly, you will see that the mobile number is incorrect here.
Yes.
I will go to one field one by one, yeah. You see the mobile number is +97. Okay, the one is not being displayed here. It should be right shown here, 971. They should
Oh,
increase the width or length somehow here.
okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So, okay. Then this is also not mandatory, but if he is single, if he is married, then we are even asking him his spouse date of birth and his anniversary birth, yeah.
Okay.
So you can see that the alignment is not that proper here. So you can always ask them to make a proper alignment of the things.
Okay.
Okay, this is actually for this button and this is here. So they are merging together each other, these things and that thing.
Okay.
Then the spouse date of birth is similar, so it is not mandatory. Now let's see if I selected a date, it's being displayed like this, yeah. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So I gave you an idea. I will just repeat the idea again. Now, if a customer, now we assume that the customer is already registered. If the customer is already registered, then if Saloon wants to add that customer, he can just add as it is email address. The moment a customer is added into a Saloon and SMS or email, if his SMS and email both are verified, they will receive an SMS, welcome to the this saloon or something like this. Yeah. Thanks for
Okay.
registering with this saloon or something like that.
But
Now, there
Amir,
are some other things. See, there is a profile which is associated with the user. Then there are certain tags which are associated with the saloon itself.
okay.
Okay. Now, if this saloon gives a tag called VIP, that this customer is a tag means this is a VIP customer, yeah.
Okay.
So this particular is a VIP customer maybe for this saloon, but he is not a VIP customer for another saloon.
Okay.
So this is the saloon specific parameter, while the username, first name, last name, email address, gender, date of birth, mobile number, They are customer specific parameters.
Okay.
So the journal tag here is a saloon specific parameter, yeah.
Okay.
It is not a parameter by, and if you will see it here, I enter the VIP, but if I save it, it is not getting saved. Okay.
Okay.
An appointment reminder by email and SMS should be ticked by default always.
Okay.
Yeah, and then this should not be able to be changed by the saloon. This should be, I mean, this is customer specific parameter that how does he wants the notification to come to him.
Okay.
Okay.
Means user can uncheck the checkboxes if he doesn't want a notification by email or SMS text.
In his profile, if you will go to his profile, then this is the vendor if you will log in as a user and you go to your profile, then you can change these settings. I will take you
Okay.
through the user profile also, but this is the saloon which is adding this customer.
Okay. Okay.
Is it okay, guys? I mean, are we in sync now?
Yes.
So total number of bookies, total amount paid, point balance, cancellation in last year, no shows in last year, referred by a journal tag. They are saloon specific parameters. It should not show his journal how much amount he has poured, total number of booking. He should only show what he has done with his saloon. He should not show it with the total website.
Okay.
Okay. So this is specific to this particular customer.
Okay.
Okay, then you have this, what is his appointment available, and I don't know if you understand IOU. IOU is that you check out the customer, and let's say you went to a saloon, you forgot your wallet at home. So what you do is you give him a credit of 50 dirhams. Saloon gives him a credit of 50 dirhams and expect him to pay it. So it will be shown as IOU, outstanding. If customer has bought your gift certificate, it will be shown here, and if whatever customer has bought the packages, I don't know what packages are doing here, it are being shown here. So doesn't make any sense of packages having separate here. So
Okay.
okay, this is actually the customer management for a vendor.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, now I want you to tell some general convention of our website. Yeah, all the
Okay.
mobile phones will be in the format of +971,
Okay.
and he should be able to change the mobile numbers with his location as well. Here he cannot. I mean, there should be. Okay, now you should see that the email address is verified and mobile is unverified. So we have given this tag here for a customer. In case his email address or unverified is here, then there should be a button here, change his mobile number or change mobile number. So saloon will have the right, in case the mobile number is not verified, to change his mobile number.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yes.
But they have not made that functionality. So we have told them that please make this functionality.
Okay.
Okay, now if I click on edit button, you will see that the scroll down, this scroller has gone down, is removed. I don't know why the backend scroller goes off. So this is a bug even. Did you got it?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello.
Okay, fine. So what happened next is that, yes, Jitendra, is it clear? The things are getting clear?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello.
Okay. Now I will go to the another module now. This was about a customer which already exists on the website.
Okay.
Now let's say I want to search Ankur Bakhar, and then he has I mean the search, this is the search button which actually shows him every search details about the name and the mobile number, or let's say if I have his mobile number, I will just, so this search will work on the fields of the customer.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Jitender.
Ankur, your voice is
Yes.
breaking. We cannot hear you.
Is it breaking again?
Yes.
For me,
Okay.
for me it's clear.
Ah, it's me also clear.
That means it's not my PC issue, Jitender. Okay. Hello,
Hello.
Jitendra, can you hear me now? Is it better for you, or are you able to?
Yes. Yes.
Is it okay? Shall I
Yes.
continue?
Yes.
Okay. So I have told you if a already registered user logs in.
Okay.
So there are now, let's say if you are a walk-in customer,
Okay.
one second guys, one second. Hello,
Hello.
guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I think I have issue with my charger.
Yes, yeah, yeah.
I have.
I hear your voice. Hello.
Okay, I'm saying I have issue with my charger. I didn't bring the charger today. Uh, okay, one second. All right, guys, let's carry on. I put the charger. Now I have explained you two scenarios. One is user registration. Then the
Yes.
same user which is already registered is being used by many vendors.
Okay.
Okay. When the user is registered, there are some parameters which are specific to the customer. I mean, which are specific to the customer means user. And then there are some parameters which are specific to the vendor for the same customer.
Okay.
So the parameter which are specific to the user are his address, his email address, first mobile number. These parameters are specific to the customer, but tag, booking, last booking amount, point balance, all this is specific to the saloon.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to see this functionality by registering as two different vendors. So if you register as two different vendors, then you will be able to see the behavior with two different vendors.
Okay.
Okay, so that means you need to create a separate vendor account as well now.
Okay.
Okay, so you already have one vendor account, but you need to create another vendor account as well.
Okay.
Okay, so now I will take you to a customer. Let's say you are a walk-in customer and you directly goes to the salon. You didn't have any login.
Okay.
So they will ask your email address, and that email address is not registered in the on our website.
Okay.
Okay, let's say I'm a customer and the web, let's say the maxon@siesta.com is not registered. So he will go there and he will say Maxine, last name. Okay, now in this case I have entered everything. He should ask the mobile number. If I am adding a customer, then okay, cell phone number is required. That is fine. So cell phone number is a must. Maxon, can you give me your mobile number? Okay, I
Hello?
will put mine.
050
Maxon, can you give me your mobile number?
yeah 050
50
346 1091
5034.
1091
Is it fine?
1 5034611091.
91. Okay. So the only condition in the mobile number is that the mobile number here cannot start from 0, yeah?
Okay.
If it starts from 0 and it cannot be more than 15 digits, that's what we have told them, that it cannot start with 0 and it cannot have the other conditions are fine. So if someone enters 0 here, it should automatically delete, or it should give an error, it should not start with 0.
Okay.
Okay, so now I enter his mobile number. Okay, then gender is also required, so I've tested that gender is required. He is a male. And email appointment by default should be checked, as I told you. They by default they should be checked. Yeah, always they should be checked by default.
Yes.
So now his address should automatically be taken, whatever is the saloon address, which is not the case for us here, because he will be visiting his nearby saloon or what. Let's save him.
Okay.
At least he should select the city to be Dubai, you know.
Okay.
Or he should select the city to be Ajman. Now you will see here that the display here is also incorrect. It should be 971. So these small things you need to take care and highlight to them.
Okay. Okay.
Priyanka, please. Sorry, Papa is on meeting, beta. Okay, so the moment a customer is added, Maxon should receive an SMS. Maxon, did you receive an SMS?
No.
No. You know, we find an error that when a customer is added, he doesn't receive an SMS, and I have to, click here, send OTP password to send him the password, you know.
Okay.
Now he will receive the one-time password. Did you receive it, Maxine?
No.
No?
Not yet.
Let's see what happened. As you can see, they did not pass the country code to him. That was the issue.
Okay.
Actually, he must receive the password. He must receive the password, and the moment he receives the password, you enter here submit and submit here, and his phone will become verified. You see, it is unverified right now,
Yes.
and I will click OK, and it will become verified. So Saloon has the right to verify his mobile number.
Okay.
The moment He verifies the mobile number. After that, he cannot change any parameter for him.
Okay, okay.
Even the saloon cannot change the parameters once his mobile number or email address is verified. If his email address is verified and mobile number is not verified, saloon should have a function here which is missing to change his mobile number and change his email address. Rest all parameters cannot be changed once it becomes verified.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So it is very important for us. First thing is user location is very important for us. At least the state or at least the city should be automatically selected, because and then city should also be automatically selected,
Okay.
because we will be selling the database later on. So it is very important wherever is the saloon, the parameters get automatically filled up. No one needs to fill up these parameters. It should automatically get filled up.
Okay.
If they are not filling up, that means this is an error for us.
Okay.
Now regarding the phone number, they have just put 971. Maybe the customer is from somewhere else. He visited it, and I just want to add him. Okay.
Okay.
And what else? The rest all is okay. I mean, you can yourself make the functional test cases now. What I wanted to highlight to you is, I will repeat again, there are some parameters which are specific to the saloon and there are other parameters which are specific to the customer.
Yes.
Once the email address or mobile number is verified, no one can change the details. Only the function can change the email address and all other things. Email address if the email address is unverified, mobile number if the mobile number is unverified. The
Okay.
locations are very important. They should get automatically filled up. If not, then this is an error.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So by default, appointment and SMS should be checked. If you will check our bug list, existing bug list that was submitted to them, you will find the details which are already submitted to them, yeah, as a bug in customer management.
Okay.
So this was the customer section module for vendor as well as the user saloon. Do you have any doubts in that?
No.
I would like to add one point in this. When a user is created on the front end or is from the vendor side, you need to check on the super admin also whether the data is populated, properly on time, in sync with whatever is happening on the front end and the vendor portal. So you need to verify, whether the user's creation, everything is working fine on the super admin also.
Yeah, because as I mentioned to you as well, I mean, you're right, Maxon, that they need to verify that. And see here, what I'm doing is I'm trying to change Maxon to here, and it is not changing my front end even.
Yes. Yes.
It should change automatically here, right?
Yes.
It is not.
Yes.
It used to change before, I don't know. Maybe it's slow.
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe it is slow.
Doing few things, So now in the customer
Yeah.
list section, you will see the customer how they are listed. I realized suddenly my pink color has become green, but anyhow. So that means someone else is also working, so.
Okay.
Okay, so now you will see that you will see the details here of all the users.
Yes.
Now logically, status activate deactivate does not make any sense for the vendor.
Okay.
Okay, you got my point. Vendor should not be able to activate or deactivate a customer. It should only be super admin which should be able to activate deactivate.
Okay. Okay. Yes. got it.
We didn't understood why in the customer listing, why the username is being displayed here and why the status is being displayed here to them.
Okay. Means
Okay.
owner don't have any rights to enable or disable the user. Is it correct?
Not
Yeah,
if
I mean, the not the vendor should, super admin should have those rights. We will go to super admin section, then I will explain you what we expect from the super admin. So as of now, I have only explained you the first section, which is the user registration with the Facebook and normal. Then the second section of managing the user from the vendor.
Yes.
Managing the user from the vendor also have two important things: user specific parameter and the vendor specific parameter. And third thing are these functions, which he can perform on the user.
Yes.
No one should be able to, delete a user, or see the temporary username password. This is fine that he should be able to, I don't know what they have done for temporary username and password. We didn't requested them for a temporary, but we want that reset username password. We don't want them. We only want that they should be able to change the email address and phone numbers in case they are not verified.
and even
Okay.
vendor should not be able to edit the details. Like once the email or phone is verified, vendor should not be able to edit the details also. There should not be an option if
Yeah.
even a button for editing.
No, that's they remove Maxon.
Yeah.
No, no, they keep those buttons, Maxon, because they have a general tags as well. Let's say if I have a general tag, I should
Okay.
be able to add it, but only they should make the thing. They have already done that correctly. They have made it gray which
So
section you cannot add it, but
okay.
you should be able to add the general tag. So he should not be able to basically change the parameter which are specific to the user. So he
Correct.
should be able to edit the general tags and
Correct. Correct.
things like that.
Correct. Correct.
Okay. So any doubts on till this point of the management?
No.
No. Very good. Then
You're getting.
Snehal, do you have any doubts? I mean, you are just quiet today.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Hello? Yes, it's
Yes.
okay. It's okay.
Okay, fine. Fine,
Raja, is
guys.
it fine?
Yeah. It's clear to me. Yeah.
No, if you even if you understand, you can say okay,
Yeah.
so that
Okay.
we
I got the point. Okay.
are also on
Okay.
the same page.
Okay. This is over customer management. So now coming to the point of same customer management. So you have in customer management, customer listing as well. But in customer listing, as I explained you, there are some parameters which should not be there for a vendor section. So later on, you will see when they hand over the modules to us. Make a, if you are clear with the logic what I'm planning to do, then you can make the use cases by yourself.
Okay.
What I will give you an idea what I'm trying to do here. What I'm trying to do here is that I'm trying to create a customer which is can be a Facebook customer, a Google customer, or a normal user. Then I don't want dummy customers on my website, so I don't allow unverified email address customer. And
Okay.
before they make a booking, I want to verify their mobile number as well. So that's the reason we have kept the option that, okay, even though you have verified your email address, but whenever you will go to make any booking, then we will ask for your phone number verification as well. So if
Okay.
your email address and phone number are verified, no one will be able to change your data. Saloon will see specific parameter. You just need to tell your email address to the saloon that my email is ankurkakkad@gmail.com. Rest saloon will not ask anything from you. If you already exist, then if you don't exist, then saloon can add you. The moment saloon will add you, you will probably have your mobile number with you and you will not have your email address there. So if you do not have your mobile number, if you will have your mobile number, you will receive a token that this saloon has added you. This is the verification code. He will enter the verification code, your data become visible, and you go to another saloon, just give their email address and they will be able to add you as well. So
Okay.
this is what we are planning to do in the whole of the website, that we are making the email address as unique for a customer. So he just gives his email address and people know, okay, this is the customer, and that's it.
Okay.
Any doubts, guys?
No.
No.
Great. So now I will log out and I will log in as a super admin.
Okay.
Will log in as so I will go to the customer. Main thing here for me is customer management and customer listing. As same thing which is coming here, I will be able to see here, but you will see all the data, all the customer here, regardless whether he is a customer of Siesta or he is not the customer of Siesta. Now same things apply here as well to the customer, that when super admin will also be able to do the similar things with him, whatever the vendor is able to do. But as you can see, my location here is visible. I am near to Ibn Battuta Mall and this is my location, but you can see it is coming Dubai here now correctly, but in the vendor section it was not correct. So that means in the super admin I can see that I am based in Dubai, but not in the vendor, or I probably when someone enters manually. Okay. Okay, so that's the problem. If I am doing it with the okay, so that is the issue, you know.
Yes.
If you add normally it is fine, but if you add with the, I mean, if you import it from the Facebook, it was fine, but if you import it from the, I don't know where, then it is showing Al Karama. There is something wrong with the location, I can positively tell you, but I don't know if you will be able to test it. Raja, please you make sure that you test this because the guys will be in India, so I don't know if they will be
Yeah,
able to
sure,
test
sure.
it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you see
Okay.
there is inconsistency in the drop down. Somewhere the drop down is not like this. I don't want drop down like this. There is another button that they are using from drop down,
Yes,
which you will
yes.
see
Okay.
here that there is an arrow in the drop. I mean, I don't know where that button I will find it, but they show
Okay.
it. There a drop down should be unified everywhere in the
Yes, yes.
website.
Yeah,
It
yeah. Yeah,
should not
yeah.
be consistency check also. Raja, you need to make sure that the
Yeah,
whole website is consistent with
yeah.
the same
Yeah, sure.
conventions.
Okay, sure, sure.
Okay, so this is the customer listing. Same thing I can now the status makes sense here. Activate, deactivate, created. Then the another thing we saw, they did not provide us sorting with the created date.
Okay.
Yes.
They should provide us a sorting with the date creation so we can see in 1 month how many customers have been created.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
now going to the same thing, add it an action and delete this customer. So that is how it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
A
Okay.
super admin should have that right only, so that's fine. I mean, there is nothing much I want to tell you with the super admin should be doing it. He should be have the same rights as vendor has. Apart from that, he should be able to activate and deactivate this user. Okay, guys,
Yes.
Okay.
do you have any doubt in the customer module now?
No.
No, no, no.
Okay.
No.
So I think I will just park this customer module today and then tomorrow we will do the, but I want that first you finish the customer management functionality test document, then I will explain you the other modules, which is business module basically.
Okay.
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 All right, guys. Anything else you have any specific questions or shall I stop this discussion?
No, we don't have any doubts.
Okay. Maxon, anything from your side? Raja,
Yeah, no,
anything
no, no.
from your side?
Yes. Yeah, I am clear about customer management. No, no
Okay,
doubt.
Maxon, anything from your side, buddy?
Nothing.
Okay, so I hope I have shared every information that I had for the customer management module or our expectation about the functionality of the customer management module.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
One request to you, Mayur, please make sure that they use the same convention for every box everywhere. You find some unconvention, please list it. Spelling mistakes, phone number checking, and the box drop down and conventionality, they have done many mistakes. So I want you guys to, take a lead in this one and tell them that this is something they need to take care everywhere in the website.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Sure. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for your time.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.